Hello everybody, once again. Today, there's my hands. Today we are going to do the mitre corner, so this should be a fairly quick video for you all, not like the 20-minute ones. We have to sit there listening to me rambling for 20 minutes. Right, so obviously this is something that would be used on the corners of a curtain, or if you've got a skirt where the hem turns up quite a bit at the back, and it's hand stitched up, or blind hemmed, or stitched up using a blind hemmer, then the split at the back would also use a mitre corner as well. So let's get going. Let's not make this a big deal. So that would be your hem. Pretend that's your bottom bit. Let's give that a little press. Hopefully the iron doesn't steam up the camera. Yeah, okay. And then you have your side bit. So imagine this is a curtain, this is your corner. You got your side coming over the side. The side coming over the side. You'd also use this on jacket sleeve cuffs where they overlap on the split. You use it on the top bit, not the bottom bit. Right, so there we go. We have created these. So now, I don't know if you can see, I've got every shadow in the world here. Now you want to make a line to go across here, because that is where you are going to stitch. So you will fold this piece up so that the lines here and here match up with these lines. Okay, and you've got a little triangle. So we give these little press, and now you've got your stitch line here. So let me turn it over, and you have to fold it now at that little point where they all meet, the intersection. Fold it so that these two lines come together. And then you're going to stitch along this line here. And if it's a fabric where you can't really see the fold very well, you might want to just draw it in like I have. So it's this line here that goes diagonally across them all. That's your stitch line. So you will meet that line with that line. It's just lots of lines. And then these lines here, you want them to meet up as well. And then you're going to stitch across there. Right, I shall move to the sewing machine. Okay, so now we're just going to sew that little line. If you feel like you need to pin it, then pin it. Don't be afraid to use pins. And then you can trim this bit here off if you want. You don't have to. Just reduces the bulk. I don't have to. Can you see that? So I'm going to put my hand, just open up that seam. It's all blurry. Open up that seam. And then kind of push it through. And use something pokey to poke that little corner out. And just make sure the seam inside is open, which mine is not, so I'm going to use the scissors to do that, so that the bulk is even on either side. Mine's not behaving itself today. Anyway, there you have it. There is your miter corner. I hope that helps you. Bye.